In this video, we show how to replace the intrusion switch on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing the intrusion switch, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the intrusion switch, you must first remove the cover. To remove the cover, use a screwdriver to rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Next, lift the release latch until the system cover slides back. Then, lift the cover from the system. To remove the intrusion switch, first, disconnect the intrusion switch cable from the system board. Next, loosen the captive screw securing the intrusion switch to the chassis. Then, lift to remove it. To install the intrusion switch, align and slide it into the bracket on the chassis. Next, tighten the captive screw to secure it to the chassis. Then, connect the intrusion switch cable to the system board. To install the cover, align the system cover with the guide slots on the system and place it onto the system. Next, close the system cover release latch. Finally, rotate the lock clockwise to the lock position. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.